Russian telegram channels report a fire on an oil depot in Feodosia, on occupied Crimea. Locals reported hearing explosions prior to the fire. Feodosia Oil Transshipment Terminal is the largest in Crimea in terms of transshipment volumes of oil products. The Feodosia commercial port is open for ships all year round and can provide services for handling a wide variety of cargo. It is mechanized and has a network of railways. Ukrainians recently claimed they've essentially stopped Russia from being able to use the land bridge, roads, and rail to supply Crimea through occupied Ukraine from the north. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine confirmed a successful strike on the Feodosia oil terminal, the largest in Crimea for handling fuel used to supply the Russian army. The fire has led to a municipal-level emergency situation. 2 streets are closed as the fire rages. The 129th Ukrainian Territorial Defense Brigade sinks a mechanized Russian assault column inside Russia's Kursk region. The images to show a little of what kind of task the Ukrainian Territorial Defense after 2.5 years of full-scale war are capable of solving on a daily basis, and give a thought to all those who in many cases spontaneously took up arms to defend their homes in 2022 and continue to do it year after year. Pilots of the Ukrainian Perun UAV from the 42nd Mechanized Brigade took out a Tor M2 air defense system. Trophies captured by the Russian Volunteer Corps during the battles for the Volchansky aggregate plant, which was recently recaptured by Ukraine. From this, you can imagine the number of Russian casualties. What happened in Vuhledar before the withdrawal of Ukrainian troops?
Это Vuhledar!
Да!
Это Vuhledar! Это!
Ой-ой-ой, маленький!
Это Vuhledar! Ему пизда! Ему пизда!
Ебать! Бля, там просто...
Ты мне что-то стрёмно тут стоять, блядь!
Ему пизда!
Бля, уебали, да?
Это пизда! Это пизда!
A nearly intact black Shahed drone was found in a sunflower field near Odessa. Likely this drone was taken out by EW measures, after which it landed nearly intact.
As promised, this is where he started hitting her. And this is where he was heading. Nobody has seen anything like that in person, exactly as it is. Watch. To be continued. The machine is down, the engine is new, the fan is broken. There's a horn at the front, full on, really solid. Fits well. I think everything will be fine. To be continued. To be continued. Terrible. Well, the boat is huge. Like, I don't know, 3 meters long and 3 meters wide. Something like that.
Video of a 57mm S-60 anti-aircraft cannon on an MTLB being used in indirect fire mode on a tree line by Russia's 681st Artillery Regiment. And back.
مجددا سمر أنا لا أستطيع. سمر عم
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.